welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare this yummy tasty vermicelli rice. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The ingredients I will be using today for this recipe are yellow bell pepper, green and red bell pepper, 1 carrot, 1 bulb of onion, sprig onions. I will also be using mackerel fish, which I've already cut already. Then I will go ahead to introduce my chicken breast diced already. I have vermicelli rice. I will also be using salt. Here I have Maggi and chicken seasoning. This recipe is not complete without these 3 things, which are soy sauce, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Here I have fresh prawns. You can also use shrimps as well. I have curry. I have garlic and ginger paste. I will be using 2 eggs. I have white pepper, and then I have fresh pepper. In here, I have already prepped all my vegetables in order to make my cooking easy. I will also be using sunflower oil. Now, I will add the sliced onions to my already hot oil and add the pepper. I will also be adding the ginger and garlic paste as well and stir everything together. Next, I will be adding the curry powder to awaken the flavor and stir. I will add the fresh prawns and stir this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I will be adding the white pepper and continue to stir. However, I will be adding all my sliced vegetables and then give it a stir. I will cover up to cook for 4 to 5 minutes and then open the pan. I will be adding a little water to loosen this up. This is optional. I will cover this one more time to cook for 1 to 2 minutes and then open up the pan. However, I will be adding my already fried chicken breast. I will yet add the fried egg and then add the spring onions. I will go ahead to add the sesame oil to flavor up this meal. At this point, I will be adding oyster sauce to give this dish a dark caramel color. However, I will be adding soy sauce to add more flavor to this meal. At this point, I will be adding the chicken seasoning. This is optional. And then I will be adding the Maggi and salt and stir everything together to combine. Please guys, do not hesitate to try this out. This is really yummy and delicious. I will take this out of the fire. In another clean pan, I will be frying the fish. I already added oil to the pan and I will be doing this for 2 to 3 minutes and then take it out of the fire. In a pot, I added some water and then bring to a boil. Now that the water has boiled, I will remove the cover before adding the noodles. I off the gas before adding the vermicelli rice because we are not cooking the rice, but rather we are soaking it, and I will be doing this for 2 to 3 minutes. I will stir this up so it doesn't stick together. Another advice is that don't over soak your vermicelli rice in order for it not to be soggy. After 3 minutes, I will go ahead to sieve the water out. I will add the noodles to my sauce and stir everything together. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe, share and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching to this moment. See you in my next video. Bye.